Hey, good morning, guys. It's Tuesday. Glad to see everybody was online yesterday, getting their stuff caught up. A lot of guys handed in a lot of good quality stuff yesterday. For those of you who still have some stuff outstanding, today's a good day to get caught up. Only one assignment today. It is a big one, so pay attention. But it is important. It's hard to believe, but we are at the halfway point of this octomester. So let's get right into today. Yeah, it is Tuesday. I know the online stuff is a drive to get through, and I'm looking forward to getting on the ice tomorrow with you guys. I'm going to have some fun tomorrow, a little skills competition going on tomorrow. We're going to look at 6 different stations. Friday, and then we've got David Rasco coming in on Thursday, Mr. Corp's coming in on Friday, and I think we're going to change things up for the Friday afternoon, the last session. We're going to go and play some broom ball. You guys are going to like that. It's a lot of fun. You get to run around on the ice in your running shoes. Slip and slide. Had a great time with it last couple of years with the classes. So, busy week this week. Looking forward to it. Let's get right into today. So, today you're going to start your independent study project. Part A. There are 2 parts to it. It is a big one in the sense that it is worth 10% of your final mark. So, but it's pretty straightforward. One assignment. You're going to look at Part A today. You're going to start your independent study project. You should be able to finish Part A today. If you don't worry. You got some time. You can start Part B if you want, but don't hand that in yet. As we'll be discussing the details of Monday's online class. So I don't want you to get too ahead of it on Part B and then find out you're missing stuff and have to redo it on Monday. But you can kind of look it over and see it. So today, you're going to compare training programs, and you're going to research, summarize, and compare 2 fitness programs that are designed specifically for hockey training. These can be done from hockey magazines, books, or online. Each one must give specific details of the complete training program and how to do the various exercises. So, a lot of steps to this. So, step 1, find a hockey fitness training program that has at least 6 exercises. Read the entire article or watch the video. What you're going to do is you're going to summarize the program, give me an opening paragraph, a general description, what type of exercise, what is it targeting, is it an exercise program for speed and agility? Is it for strength? Whatnot. B. Make sure you're showing the warm-up and cool-downs if they're given. Make a list of all the exercises done and give a brief explanation of how each is done, and give the recommended reps and sets of each exercise. And give me a concluding paragraph. Give any specific points or tips it gives on doing the exercise or implementing the program. Now, make sure that this might be new to you, give me a proper citation. In your paper, you need to reference styles. For instance, I give you an example. There's a goaltending video, so I'll give you an example, lad, B, no date. If it has a date, then you put like 2010, 2020, etc. Done by PhD Goaltending, retrieved from that particular website. Okay? Then you're going to repeat the steps 1 through 4 for the second fitness program, and then you're going to compare and contrast the programs. Okay. When you get on back to the announcements, there's a link there now. Braden Payne, you've got a different assignment for goaltenders. So make sure you are clicking on the goaltender ISP. Make sure you read. I'm kind of giving you an overview. Make sure you read the entire assignment because there's a lot more questions that need to be answered than just what I've given you here. Remind you, this is worth 10% of your final mark. So, that's it. That's all I'm going to give you today. Get Part A done. Submit it into the Part A Dropbox. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Some guys, there was an issue with one of the Dropbox yesterday, but I think we straightened it out real quick. Thank you, Van and Duel, for letting me know about that. The rest of you, get your stuff in. As I said, I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. We're going to also play some Can Jam in between our ice sessions tomorrow. Hopefully the weather's going to hold out for us. And we're going to have some fun. Okay? Get her done, and we will see you tomorrow morning on the ice.